Okay, so this is on to part B of question 1. Injury is a common occurrence in rugby. Some say that there's a high chance of being injured in rugby compared to other sports. This table below shows minor injuries that were reported in different sports during 2018 within New Zealand for a random sample of 30 sports players, and it was recorded by gender. Okay, so this is a two-way table, and the first thing that you should always do when you come across a two-way table is put in the totals. This means adding up all directions of this. Okay, so the total number of females, which would be adding up all the numbers in this direction, we would put next to it, and the total number of females that we have here are 105. So 105, we would put it next to it. And the total number of males that we have is 195. So you're just basically adding up all of these numbers across here to get the total number of males. We're going to do the same thing in terms of the sports that they play. So males and females who play rugby, that would be 90. Netball, 90. Cricket is 40. And football is 80. Okay, so once we have that, either if you add it in either direction, if you add these two up, or if you add up these, so one or the other, you would get a total number of 300, and that should, be what we expect anyways. So a total of 300 males and females that play rugby, netball, cricket, and football have been surveyed, and these are the people that were injured. Okay, so based on these figures, what is the probability that a player who has suffered a minor injury played rugby? So this is not dependent on their gender, and we're basically saying we're picking what is the probability that a rugby player has got an injury. So there's 300 people that have had injuries, and of those, 90 play rugby. So 90 out of 300 have played rugby and got a minor injury. And if you calculate that into a decimal, so put that into your calculator and press the S to D or F to D button, that is going to give you 0.3. Okay, that's an achieved mark, and you all should be able to do that.